Finally, take a look at our cabin. It's the cabin we got this time, a mini suite. You got a 2-chair and a table. Balcony. One side you look out. Most of the place is the boat dock on our side. It's pretty cathedral over there. It's the capital spot for this trip. Stockholm, Russia, Finland, other places we didn't see, I guess. It's a better room than the one we were on in Carnival. The bed is really comfortable, and there is a divider to divide the bed and this small living room. And that's me. I actually sit on this chair every day, write my journal. Balcony, look over. Some painting. Entrance, and this is the bathroom. Bathroom is actually very nice. Got the shower. And the bathroom separated by this sliding door. So it's very nice for our stuff. And they got so many drawers. We got plenty drawers to put your clothes in for 2-3 weeks clothes. And there's a hanging closet. Opens on both sides. You can hang some clothes. Life jacket on the top. And they also have ropes for you. Luggage on the bottom. Plenty room. Very nice. Okay. Now, and then you got lots of mirrors you can check out. Just look at it from this angle. Stockholm. We're going to ship 2 days back to Dover and back to the States.